Is your trusty MacBook refusing to wake up, leaving you in a digital black hole when your MacBook won't turn on? The first 10 most crucial step is to verify its power source. Make sure your power adapter is securely plugged into both the wall outlet and your MacBook. Try a different wall outlet if possible, as the outlet itself could be the issue. Examine the charging cable and the adapter for any visible damage, like frayed wires or bent pins. If you have another compatible Apple power adapter, try using that to rule out a faulty adapter. Now, let's address the battery. Sometimes, a completely drained battery can prevent your MacBook from powering on. Leave your MacBook plugged in for at least 15 to 20 minutes. After this waiting period, try pressing the power button again. If you have a MacBook with a removable battery, which is less common in newer models, ensure it's properly seated. If your MacBook still shows no signs of life, a power cycle might be necessary. For MacBooks with non-removable batteries, press and hold the power button for a full 10 seconds. Release the button, then wait for a few seconds before pressing it again to turn on your MacBook. This process can sometimes reset internal components that might be preventing it from booting up. Still no power? Let's try a basic hardware reset. If your MacBook has a T2 chip, which is present in most models from 2018 and later, you'll need to perform a specific reset. Press and hold the power button for another 10 seconds. Now, without releasing the power button, press and hold the Control key, the Option key, and the Shift key on the left side of your keyboard simultaneously for another 7 seconds. After these 7 seconds, continue holding those 3 keys while also holding down the power button for another 7 seconds. Then, release all keys at once and wait a few seconds before pressing the power button normally. If your MacBook has an older Intel processor without the T2 chip, simply press and hold the power button for 10 seconds, release, and then try to power it on again normally. If after trying these steps your MacBook still won't turn on, it's possible there's more significant hardware issue. In such cases, it's best to contact Apple support or visit an authorized service provider for further diagnosis and repair.